5060 Raindrop Court, Colorado Springs, Colorado 80917. Going to be cammering the sewer lateral at this residence from the 3-inch ABS plastic cleanout in the basement utility room behind the HVAC cover to city main. Right here at 1 foot from entry point, the ABS plastic transitions to cast iron. Pipe material transitions outside of residence at approximately 25 feet from entry point. This transition is going to be from 4-inch cast iron to 4-inch SDR 35 PVC. Right here at 28 feet, the SDR 35 PVC transitions to ABS plastic. tap of the city main is 83 feet from entry point. The sewer lateral at this residence is ABS plastic, cast iron, and SDR 35 PVC with no major issues found during the time of inspection. The first couple feet from entry point, the camera was underwater. Due to excessive buildup in the line, the camera was able to break some of this free and we were able to flush some of it out to the city main. Going to pull back to this spot and recheck it. While pulling back where the camera went underwater while going in, there's no more water left. Camera did not go underwater. There was just buildup in this spot that the camera was able to break free and flush out to the city main. So again, we got 83 feet to the tap at the city main. Pipe materials are ABS plastic, cast iron, and SDR 35 PVC with no major issues found during the time of inspection. Recommend having the line cleaned and re-inspected every 2 to 3 years for normal line maintenance.